We're going to start with some vegetables. When the stone is good and hot and the fat is rendered from the wagyu, we're going to start with some asparagus and some Brussels sprouts and some mushrooms. And we're going to get those nicely caramelized, turning them as we need. And we're going to move them to the end of the platter, kind of heap them up a little bit. And then we're going to start with some protein. And you don't have to do it all at once. You can put on what you want. It's going to take a couple of minutes to stick.